Hey, I'm Mr. Brian Sasso. Welcome to Lesson 8, Percent to a Decimal from the Math Fundamentals for the HSPT workbook. If you want to get the workbook, link is in the description below. All right, let's talk about it. To change a percent to a decimal, move the decimal place 2 places to the left and drop the percentage sign. So we're just doing the opposite of changing a decimal to a percent. We went 2 places to the right from a percent to a decimal. Now we go find the decimal, go 2 places to the left, and just drop the percentage sign. So example 1, 50%. Now remember, the decimal is understood to be after the 0 in the 50, so we move it over 2 places to the left. Again, I like just writing that in with my pencil so I minimize any mistakes, and our answer is 0.5 or 0.5. Example 2, 8%. Okay, so for that one, decimal is understood to be after the 8. Move our decimal 2 places to the left and drop the percentage sign, so 0.08 for that one. All right. Let's do our 2 practice problems here. 42%. Decimals understood to be at the end of the number, so I'm going to write that in there. Move it over 2 places to the left, right before that 4, and drop the percentage sign. So answer is 0.42. And practice 2, 3.9%. So here, our decimal is between the 3 and the 9. We move it over 2 places to the left and drop the percentage sign, so we get 0.039 for that one. So very easy, but a fundamental skill to have down. Sometimes on the math test, they give you a decimal and they just say, hey, what is this as a percent? Or they'll give you a percent and just say, what is this as a decimal? So this is a problem that can show up. Just to do one more here, I think kind of maybe a weird one. Like let's say we have something like 0.002%. Again, you always do it the same way, so you don't want to be confused if there are a bunch of zeros or it's a really small number like this. What do we do to change from a percent to a decimal? We just find the decimal, move it over 2 places to the left, and drop the percentage sign. So 1, 2. And again, I would advise you to actually show this work with your pencil. It really minimizes mistakes. Here we're going to have to add some zeros, and then our answer here, so 0.002% as a decimal is 0.00002. Okay, so a lot of zeros there, but just wanted to show you that, hey, we just do this the same way every single time when we're going from a percent to a decimal. All right, see you in the next lesson.